Making money in the metaverse is the new trend, and we will show you how you can make millions of dollars and not just thousands out of here. About $400 million are exchanged daily in the metaverse, and the shocking news is that these transactions are just 0.01% of the entire world. So you can imagine how tremendous the market for the virtual world would be when more and more people will invest in it. That's why hopping on this market as early as possible will be a great advantage. Some of the biggest companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Nike, Alibaba, and Nvidia have entered the meta world and will be generating billions in revenue this year. But this video is not about them, it's about you and how you can make profits. So here are 11 ways to make millions of dollars in the metaverse. Hello and welcome to Luxus. Number 1. Create and trade NFTs. The NFT craze is all gas and no brakes at the moment. In 2021, they've mostly exploded the art world, with headline-grabbing news like Beeple's $69 million NFT auction, or the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and CryptoPunk's incredible price run. In the metaverse, you'll be able to turn any of your designs into an NFT or non-fungible tokens and sell them in open marketplaces. The metaverse will rely on avatars, mansions, apparel, collectible cards, equipment, among other digital items, entirely designed and created by users to grow and support open economies. There are plenty of tutorials online on how to create an NFT, which is essentially a digital proof of ownership and authenticity of a given item. But for those who are not particularly interested in this, there are other options to consider, like simply opening an NFT art gallery and selling someone else's work in return for a cut of the profits, or becoming an art broker, advising metaverse clients on how to profit from this newly minted NFT world. Number 2. Look into real estate. Virtual real estate has seen a massive boom lately, with the rush for digital land seeing plots in metaverses like Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and The Sandbox selling for millions. Clearly, there's a number of opportunities ready for the taking, such as real estate flipping, where you can make money from purchasing plots of virtual land or digital properties and reselling them for a higher price, pocketing the difference. Real estate brokering. With so much real estate business to be made, the need for virtual real estate companies has only become greater. You could make generous commissions for connecting buyers and sellers, or simply giving out advice as a real estate broker. Renting. Just like in real life, you could buy a plot of land, build a house, or another type of property, and then rent it out. You could also use your property for advertising, especially if your properties are located in high-traffic areas. Real estate designing. Conceptualizing and bringing to life plots of land and metaverse buildings can be a very lucrative business. Whether it's private property, a shopping mall, or a stadium, the need for specialized 3D designers will soon become one of the most in-demand jobs in virtual worlds. Number 3. Advertise wherever possible. Many companies are rushing to the metaverse to set their virtual presence and also to use it as a major advertising platform. Much like in the real world, brands can open stores in virtual malls and advertise products and services across a number of virtual platforms. As more users join the metaverse, it's only expectable that it will become a massive marketing and advertising platform. Number 4. Fashion styles. One of the first uses of the metaverse has been fashion. High-profile fashion houses like Louis Vuitton and Gucci are already experimenting with virtual clothing in the form of NFT collections. But you don't need to be a big brand to do this. Just about anyone can create a digital clothing line and generate revenue in the metaverse. Even if you're not a fashion designer, you might enjoy coming up with different creations for your own avatars and help your friends customize theirs. Number 5. Provide education. With the pandemic forcing schools to shut down, and millions of students around the world having to sit online classes, the potential of virtual schooling has become evident. As it continues evolving, the metaverse will become an increasingly immersive space that will allow classes to become even more personalized and highly interactive. This could change education systems across the world because the metaverse will allow anything to become a learning opportunity that is impossible in the real world. As such, tutoring and educational initiatives are sure to take off. Number 6. Business creation. The metaverse is the perfect breeding ground for entrepreneurs. Users can open stores and kickstart their businesses more easily than in the real world, as it requires little to almost zero investment to do so. Be that in fashion, sports, collectibles, real estate, or entertainment, there are an infinite number of businesses that can help you earn money in the digital world. Number 7. Gaming. Currently, gaming is the leading activity in metaverse-like environments like Roblox and Fortnite. Either by playing blockchain-based games or investing in metaverse activities, users are able to collect and trade in-game assets in return for tokens that could have real-world value. You could also make money by building games for others to play and enjoy in the metaverse. Number 8. Travel and tourism. With the world facing lockdown after lockdown because of the COVID-19 pandemic, many have turned to virtual reality tours for some much-needed escape. The metaverse will be a continuation of just that, and the idea is that historical sites and events of the physical world could eventually be recreated in virtual worlds. This will give rise to a number of jobs in the metaverse tourism sector, like tour guides and travel agents. Number 9. Event promotion and hosting. Entertainment will play a vital role in metaverses like Sensorium Galaxy, which will be hosting concerts by superstars like David Guetta and Armin van Buuren. Parties, concerts, and sporting events are sure to attract thousands, if not millions, of fans, and so, promoters and hosts will be as much needed as they are in the real world to make sure that virtual worlds have mind-blowing events. Number 10. Testing metaverse products. As more products will start appearing in the metaverse, it will lead to the need of users who can test them and provide feedback. With such a vast array of industries and businesses that are set to step into the virtual universe, the possibilities to experiment with digital assets are limitless. Here are some other jobs you can try your hands on this year, if you're interested. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Luxus, and we'll see you in the next one.